Hello, Melissa. Great to see you. How about this? Let's put 4,000 investment professionals on a beach for 4 days, and let's see what happens. What happens is you get lots of content, lots of discussion, but also a lot of social events and even a rock concert. The ETF industry is here in force. They're trying to figure out how to connect with younger, independent investment professionals who don't go to traditional conferences anymore. So let's find out what this is all about with the conference organizer. Barry Ritholtz is here, and Jon Maier, the chief ETF strategist over at JPMorgan. Barry, 4,000 people here on a beach, half of them young investment professionals. Yes. They're RIAs. What's the idea here? You've told me the investment conference is moribund, and you want to reinvent it.
That's right. So we had been putting on a conference every year for the past 10, 15 years. During the pandemic, Josh Brown and I met with Matt Middleton, who we've done conferences before, said, how can we do an event that's not a super spreader event? What can we do in 2021, planning for 22? And he said, I have an idea. Let's do it outdoors. Just the keynotes? No, the whole thing. We'll take over the beach in California and bring a few thousand people out and have a great time.
And you're on the beach right here.
We are literally right on the beach. It's right over my shoulder.
But what's interesting here is a lot of social interaction. You've got cooking classes, wine classes. You've got a rock concert from Third Eye Blind coming in. That's not a typical conference.
Right. So most conferences, you don't really remember them. You were in the airport and then the hotel room and then the conference center. And was I in Utah? Was I in Dallas? I don't even remember. Everybody remembers this because we made a very concerted effort to bring in young people and a little gender parity, and it's not the usual conference.
What's the hot topics? What are the RIAs talking about? What do they want to hear?
A couple of things. A lot of interest in artificial intelligence and AI, a lot of interest in alts. How can I make my practice as a money manager more productive, more efficient, more useful as a service to our clients?
Jon, you must be doing something right. JPMorgan has come to this conference. Jon, you're the head of ETFs here. You run this enormous ETF business, 170 billion assets under management. What are you looking to get here, and what are you telling the people here?
Well, first of all, AI, we're talking about AI a little bit. AI is this innovative technology, and so too are ETFs. I'm the chief ETF strategist at JPMorgan, and ETFs are approximately a $10 trillion business in the U.S., and they really cover many different asset classes. And just recently, last week, we launched a new program, a fourth pillar of our educational programs behind Guide to Markets, Guide to Retirement, and Guide to AI. We now have Guide to ETFs. There's so much to learn about ETFs, whether how they function, the role they play in our marketing, our overall ecosystem, and actively manage ETFs are really gaining traction.
Yeah, you mentioned $10 trillion. The industry just hit $10 trillion in assets under management. It's a real milestone right now. But there's a massive product development binge going on in the ETF business this year. Active ETF is just a massive. You have active products that are out there. Where is the industry going right now? It's not just old passive buy the S&P 500 anymore.
No, over the past 5 years, the industry has changed completely. So there was easing of regulations about 5 years ago that had made it easier to bring actively managed ETFs to the market. So there's about 1,700 ETFs that have come to the markets in the past 5 years. 70% of those have been active. And if you look at the flows, 8% of AUM, but 30% of the flows this year. So they're significant into actively managed ETFs. So everyone's looking at getting into the active space.
We're going to be talking about some of your actively managed products coming up on our other show out there. We're going to have a lot more coming up on how the ETF industry is trying to reach out to younger investment professionals. That's coming up on ETF Edge at 1 p.m. Eastern Time, 10 a.m. Pacific Time. Join us. Of course, Jon is going to rejoin us along with Jan Van Eck and Marlena Lee. She's the global head of investment solutions at Dimensional Fund Advisors. ETFedge.cnbc.com. Melissa, back to you.
Have you hit any of the cooking classes or wine tastings, Bob? It sounds like that's where the action's at.
Yes, there's a whole class on wine tasting in an hour and a half, and I'm supposed to be at the ETF Pro booth trying to talk to pro investors that are out there, and I'm a little bit torn whether I should show up for that or the wine tasting class. There's also a fish taco frenzy cooking class going on at 2 o'clock. Should I go to that, or should I go to managing your investment portfolio? I don't know. Melissa, I wish you were here to help me. It's just
fish tacos sound very useful, Bob.
Here.
Thank you. Bob Pisani. Be sure to catch us on the beach. Be sure to catch a special halftime report live from Future Proof. That is tomorrow. It all starts at noon Eastern. Plus, join CNBC Pro for more exclusive coverage and analysis from Future Proof this week. Maybe you'll get a fish taco recipe. You never know. Go to CNBC.com/futureproof.